What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beat. This video was requested by Mozart Gates. With that being said, let's get started. For this beat, I started off with this drum loop. It has got a nice bounce and definitely has that old school J.Cole vibe. Then on top of it, I played this chord progression. Then use the same progression with a different rhythm. Then I used a patch from Expand, and then I played this bass which follows the bass notes of the chord progression. Once it's all set, I played this melody for the chorus. Then I layered the melody with a jazz guitar. And again I layered the melody with trumpets from session horns. This is how the beat sounds now. I felt the beat was missing something, and it was the gospel chorus. So I selected a patch from Omnisphere and played the same chord progression. And I stacked them with the chorus. And the beat sounded full, so I started arranging the beat. That's it for today's video. The link for this beat is in the description. If you like what I do, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is posted. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave your question, comments and suggestions down below. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, it's Joey signing out. Peace.
Joey.